Talk about fission. Fission. There's a difference. We have fusion. This is fusion here.
Hey, I very good. Let
This
him
one
go.
means
Let him go. Hey, see
adding.
now.
This one
When
means
they are
joining
ready
together.
to.
Why this fission now?
No, let me
Fission
just say my
means
friend. Call me.
split. When you say fission, it means you are splitting
Say you.
something. Therefore, binary
Yeah,
means two.
bye.
Binary fission together means splitting into two. Binary fission is a state of operation whereby an organism splits into two to form another organism. That's the parent cell split into two to form daughter cells. Okay, let's take example in amoeba now. This is one amoeba now. This guy will split into two through a process of binary fission. Split into two through a process of binary fission, forming two daughter cells. Forming two what? Two daughter cells. This one will split into two again, forming four daughter cells. This one split into two, therefore they are four together. They keep on splitting until the reproduction is due. It keep on splitting, and the other one will be exactly identical in every aspect, no genetic variation. That's what we mean by that's what we mean by binary fission. Okay, reproduction in amoeba. Amoeba reproduce through common asexual reproduction method binary fission. Binary fission is a process of asexual reproduction in unicellular organisms in which single parents divide into two equal parts to form mothers. That's the one I explained, and it is associated with mitosis. Mitosis now has to do with asexual reproduction, that is maintenance of chromosome. In this asexual reproduction now, there is something we call maintenance of chromosome. Like in sexual reproduction, the man carries half chromosome, the woman carries half chromosome. Why in this one now, since it's only one parent, the full chromosome is in one parent. That's why mitosis is involved. Okay, after the nucleus has divided into two, as the body, the cytoplasm, that's the body on its own, as this body is dividing into two, the nucleus is also dividing into two to form other ones. That is how it keeps on forming equal numbers of equal daughter cells. As the body is splitting, the nucleus is splitting. Okay, therefore now, okay, it takes place in the cytoplasm of the mother. That's everything about it. Okay, now let's go to reproduction in paramecium. Note something. Paramecium can reproduce both sexually and asexually. Note, write it down wherever you are. Paramecium can reproduce both sexually and asexually. Asexually by binary fission, sexually by conjugation. Asexually by what? Binary fission, sexually by what? Conjugation. Paramecium can reproduce by asexually by binary fission, sexually by conjugation. I know why I'm emphasizing on this thing because this is a very popular question. There's no way to bring a question on this topic that they don't bring out this particular question now. Paramecium, just like amoeba, can be produced by binary fission. We said binary fission, we've explained it in amoeba, is the same thing as in paramecium. This is the simplest asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Okay, that is the same thing, there's nothing that changes. Okay, now when we talk about conjugation, in conjugation, the unicellular organism, like paramecium, sexual reproduction also occurs, and it is very simple. In this case now, the whole cell may act as a gamete. What do you mean by the whole cell may act as a what? Gamete. Okay, what happens is the whole body of the paramecium, let's assume this is paramecium 1, this is paramecium 2, this guy will come and fuse with this guy will come and fuse with this guy, then they will form another paramecium. That is what they mean by the whole cell acts as a gamete. This is conjugation now. The two of them, this guy will act as a sex cell, this guy will act as a sex cell, fusing together to form another paramecium. That is what they mean by conjugation. This guy will act as a sex cell, this guy will act as a sex cell to form this.